Wanna go for a ride? Hey, we probably should have grabbed another jerry can. She ran out of fuel?
Yeah.
So sick.
So sick. Ready to see how disgusting this rear end is? She's creamy.
Oh, fuck, you got it off too.
Yeah, I was ready. Like I said, I had tools out, good to go. I was waiting for your ass. Yeah, we'll just put a whole jug back in it.
That's the gear oil. What the fuck are you doing?
No, it's not. It's hydraulic. I made sure.
Why's your plug not in?
No, it plugs in. I just put it in. Made a mess on your floor though. We're above the pinion at least now, so we're up another 1.5 inches. Diff oil changed.
First maintenance you've seen in 60 years.
This is not how you caulk shit the right way, but we're just doing her. I smear the fuck out of it when I put it in. Which way does this go again?
Probably that way.
Yeah, it goes this way. I'm just going to bolt it down right now. Yep. Done. All right, my job's done. You're up. You guys are going to fuck with the wheel.
Oh, fucking tractor's bummed up on it now. It's just hanging on by that. We gotta lower this.
She's barely hanging on here, Lane. You backed her up crooked.
Oh, there's no freaking mirrors. No, she's fine.
Use your muscles.
Use your back.
All back, no legs. I'm tired of this, Darren. I just want to drive it. Looks good to me.
All right, so what's the next plan of attack here, man?
Get under the axle here, pick the axle up, and then we got this fucking bolt here.
How is that loose? I drove this.
What do you want me to do?
Get your fingers in there and pull this tube out.
Like from in here?
Yeah. Try and yank the tube out of the inside of that tire.
Yeah, right, buddy.
Pain
There it is.
Dick getting the fucking
New one in?
new one in.
You usually pop the front bead off.
Oh, right in the gut.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, split.
Jeez, fuck. Good thing we took it out.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, this is gonna be a prick. Pull that right off and do it on the ground.
Oh.
Wheel bearing.
Side to side play, in and out, up and down.
She's fucked, is the word you were looking for. We got all of us doing it. You need to spin the tire, please. Nice.
Dicked.
Oh no, he's getting creative.
Nope, I think she opened. I'm good up here. What are these tubes good for? Doesn't say.
Can we drive now?
This one's still all beaded.
The back when the tube's half out,
Fuck.
so.
Oh, you can see it's torn in half.
Where? So we really only have to replace one tube and one tire now?
Yep.
Oh yeah, we're good there. Just dicked.
This looks good to me. Oh.
Joe.
Jesus, Darren. This one's got play too. Dude, I'm stoked. So stoked.
Are they torqued to spec?
Yeah.
Okay, last one. Pick a tube, any tube. Neweth tubeth.
How's this one? Oh, this one's mint.
Oh yeah, this tube is fucking.
Oh yeah, she's dicked.
So like, what do you mean is pinch, sorry?
The beads of the tire are closed together, like pinch closed. So there's no gap for us to get into.
Inside of the tire?
Yeah, so like the
Oh.
beads, yeah, they're pinched
How do you
shut.
get them apart?
You reach in and pull it, but it's fucking tight.
Just gonna pull it right off.
Why'd you let me listen to you talk me into tubes?
I did it.
Good job, Darren.
I've done a tire or two in my day, son.
We wouldn't know, it's only taken an hour.
Yeah, like, look at this. That fluid's like molasses. It's bad.
Ooh.
Do you have a fluid pump?
Yep.
All right, well, let's just do it quick and be done with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah.
We have it. It's not horrible, but she's still dark.
It's very watery though, like look at that
Yeah,
run.
yeah, you can smell it. That's gear oil. This shit's gonna be thick.
Are you recording?
Oh my god.
Shit's thicker than molasses. Only about 5 more primes and we'll start going.
Oh.
Holy. Alright. You just lost prime, Darren.
Just like fucking that, eh?
Right on. So, okay, so it starts but doesn't drive. Just for when we run out of fuel, eh?
What?
I'll go back. Go that way. Go on the road. Go on the road because you're gonna fucking roll over here.
Turn, you got cars coming. Full speed ahead.
Second gear? Yeah. He's got some speed now. Shit, wait, stop. I knocked off our fucking oil intake.
Oh no!
Ugh.
What happened?
I knocked off the air intake.
On the outside there.
Yeah, it's fucking oil everywhere now. Ugh. It's all over my fucking boot.
Well, she made her pretty far.
That was second gear.
I got a little speed going there.
That was fun.
We can drive without that thing on there, eh?
Yeah, probably. It'll be fine. It'll just suck air.
All right, where's the gears in this thing?
Alright, the bottom switch is your lights. Okay, alright, now come out. Like I said, it's right up top.
Oh my god, it is up top.
Yeah. Fuck yeah! Oh shit!
Where's third?
That forward?
Yeah, second.
Oh, that thing's fucking wicked, man! Don't like trying to turn the fucking second.
She ran out of fuel?
Yep. Feel the lights.
That's second gear.
So sick.
Just watching it do the donut, like from behind, it's just like.
Of course, you don't know what RPM you're in, right? So.
Oh, it's just screaming in there. You're freezing cold.
So sick.
So sick. Horrible gas mileage.
Yeah. 1 liter gone already.
Oh, wicked.
Oh, these things are sick.
Well, I think it's time to get the other one going.
Yeah, I think so.
It's about time.